everyone, your pet Shia here. Before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to see a new expression, fever pitch. We use this expression fever pitch to state a very strong emotions. Here is an example. The excitement at the stadium was at fever pitch. Just imagine the match between India and Pakistan. What would be the excitement on both the side of people? At that moment, use this expression. See the next one. The criticism of the company CEO was at fever pitch. The staff were really unhappy about it. Some unwanted talk is going on about a CEO. Someone wants to stop this nonsense. We should not raise the discussion of this subject to fever pitch in that way. Do your work properly. So, when something reaches its peak level, you can use this expression. See the next example in the same line. In advance of this news, the gamble of railway stocks, which has doubled some of the prices in the past few weeks, reached fever pitch. So, when something reaching its extreme level, you can use this expression, fever pitch. The next example is something realistic. Emotions on both sides of the border is running at fever pitch in Russia and Ukraine, and the threat of war is on everyone's mind. Imagine about the emotions of both the side of people, Russia and Ukraine. So it is somewhat extreme level. That's why I'm using this expression fever pitch. So finally, let me conclude. Use the expression fever pitch to state a very strong emotion and something reaches its extreme level and to express the extreme level of excitement. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Share this video if you like it. See you again. Thank you.